Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is day 2 of Coorg. I was supposed to come back to Bangalore, but I thought, okay, I'll stay for one more day and check this one place out, which is Talakaveri. So I have got like two of our Zostel members who were also going towards the same place. So I thought, okay, I'll stay back for one more day and explore the place with them. I've heard this place is pretty good, and it's the birthplace of Kaveri. So let's see. Right now we are heading towards Madikeri, and from there I think we'll be going towards Talakaveri, which is like 66 kilometers from where we are staying right now. So it will take around 2 hours to reach there. And the weather is good. Like I hope it should not rain, because yesterday when we were coming back from that dam, it started raining like cats and dogs, and we were stuck there. All my riding gears and jackets and even my camera got drenched in rain. Luckily nothing happened to my camera, but initially when I switched it on in the morning, I found some moist on the camera, so thought of leaving it like that. And so guys, the weather is nice today. It's drizzling, but ठीक है, फिर भी reasonable है. So this guy is a freestyle footballer, and he's also from Bangalore. And this guy is from Hyderabad. So both of them met me in Zostel only. So it's a kind of cool place, like you get to meet a lot of interesting people.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat for ya. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
So guys, we are just about to reach Talakaveri, and you can see how the amazing view of weather is. It's killer. It's getting cold, and sadly I didn't got my jacket today, because I didn't wanted it to be drenched again, so I dropped it at home only. And now I see this weather. Amazing. Such an amazing weather. Wow. So we are heading towards something epic. Wow. So fog will eventually increase more, because once we go on a higher altitude, I see the visibility right now. It's crazy. It's cold and it's drizzling and it's fog. See, amazing view. ऐसा लग रहा है कि शिमला में बाइक चला रहे हैं. That in winter season. See, wow. Visibility is like almost 5%, 10%. Guys, see the view. There's no visibility, and I don't know where we are going. I cannot see the road.
Oh, angels sent from up above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life is a dream and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be miles up. When I was a river dried up, you came to let it flow. Angels sent from up above. I feel it coursing through my blood. Life is a dream, your love's about to make the
So guys, done with Talakaveri, and as you can see, it was like bad. Weather was pretty bad after some time, and it started raining like crazy, and it was fog, and it is still raining. It's cold. They said the Kaveri river evolved from that pond and connects to different parts of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It was a good place. Best part was amazing views we saw. The range of hills we saw from this temple. It was amazing. Now this will be like a pretty crazy ride back to Zostel because it's raining, and after some time it rains like heavily. There will be zero visibility. I'm struggling to ride right now because it's so cold right now, and we have to cover like 60 to 70 kilometers from here to Zostel. So guys, if you really like this video, then don't forget to give this video a like, and also if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe. वो जो लाल बटन है प्लीज़ दबा दो यार. तब तक के लिए I'll just wrap up from here. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care.